Alright, so MITK, Mitek Systems. Let's talk about this one on a technical chart. So we got a good support level on ticker symbol MITK at approximately $2. That's where we can see some buying came in back in 2012 and 2014. And at this particular moment in time, there's a little bit of an uptrend coming in here. So here's the uptrend right about there. So let's scoot that one up just a little bit. Here we are, something like that. And I'm going to take that one and put it on the top so that we get a little bit of a trading range. Perfect. And there's going to be some other pivot points. There's going to be a price range right about there. So this is the price I'm looking at right there. And the next one on MITK is going to be approximately here. That's probably going to be the stronger one. Let me look at this on the candlestick charts. All right, perfect. All right, so MITK, here's what we got. Here's the daily charts. Zoom in back in here, and let's come up with some analysis. So MITK, I like this little short-term support from this earnings gap right here. So there's definitely some support around the $3.80 range. Nice little consolidation in this general area, a little bit of a triangle pattern, good breakout, and some good volume as well. So it looks like this is a long position. And I'm looking for a limit buy at this resistance right here. So looking for the stock to pull back to about $5.29. My stop on that particular position is going to be down in this general range, which is below the support of $4.89. This would be $4.66. So $7.01 looks like a potential target, or at least target number one. So let's go ahead and make this target number one. Here we go. And target number two would just be, let me go back over here to the weekly chart. Target number two. Well, really at that point, I mean, if you can stretch this one far enough, it probably would take a while to get up there. But target two would be about $12.18. I don't think it could break out of the $7 range very easily, but we never know. So anyway, here's the daily charts, and that would be target two. The more aggressive trade obviously would be a stop at approximately 480 and some change, considering that this does not break out bearish. If it does, I think it could come back down to retest and then bounce, so I'm going to be a little bit loose with the stop. But in this particular situation, here's how my math would formulate. If we're looking to take this trade, and let's say, for example, we go into this trade with a $1,000 risk, meaning if we take this trade, we are totally fine, comfortable, and okay with losing $1,000. So $1,000 would be our risk unit, not our investment, but the amount that we are willing to lose. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our entry, 529 minus $4.66 equals 63 cents of a stop value, 63 cents. And we're going to take $1,000, which is the risk potential, divided by 63 cents equals 1,587 shares. That would be an investment value of approximately $8,396. So our stop again would be 466, ensuring a potential $1,000 loss, and our target would be $7.01. So our reward is greater than our risk, and that would be my potential setup on MITK. Here's the long-term moving averages. The 100 and the 200 simple moving average, we are pretty far away from those. So likely, I like to see some good, some good bouncing off that, and that did happen back here in June. I'm sorry, in January. Good volume coming in recently, some good volume profiles. And again, here's a weekly perspective on the candlestick chart. Really, really good sized candle coming in. Looks like some type of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of Elliott wave feel into $7.